Avocados.
Whoa. Today we're going to visit Santiago's market here in Winter Haven, Florida. This place has all of your produce that you need if you're into cooking Latin food. I mean, literally on the other side of this aisle, they have all the roots, plantains. I just wanted to show you a quick view of just their produce. I mean, you have the garlics, the recao. Here are some of the aisles of all the ingredients that we cook. And wait till we get to the meat sections. I mean, they have everything. They have the typical, beef, chicken, pork, and fish, but they have so many other extra items as well that you probably won't see in your typical grocery store. So definitely come out and see, and also if you come here, you must try their hot meals. The meals are delicious. Ezra, do you like the food?
Yeah.
What's your favorite?
Rice.
Yeah? Show me, what's the rice?
It's vegan.
Yeah? What else do you have? Show me.
Chicken.
That's pork.
Oh, pork.
And then what's that? It's maduro. What's this? Yuca. What about this? This was really good. This is avocado salad. Yeah? What about Mama? What do you think? What did you get?
I got penne, rice, the avocado salad side, yuca, and maduro. So just a little bit of everything, just kind of trying, and it was really good.
Yeah, what's cool about it is they give us, look at the portion. I mean, that's enough to feed, 3 meals. How many meals will this last?
Oh, yeah, 3-4 meals, something like that. And then you add some sides and stuff.
How much was it?
$7.
Yeah, $7. I mean, could you imagine? That's huge.
Some rice.
Yeah. Ezra, that's your favorite, the rice.
Good.